Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisha. So today we will be solving LeetCode question number 2357, which is make array 0 by subtracting equal amounts. So let's start by reading our question. You are given a non-negative integer array nums and in one operation you must choose a positive integer. The first thing which we need to keep in mind that we need to take a positive integer such that it is less than or equal to the smallest non-zero element in nums. Subtract x from every positive element in nums. Return the minimum number of operations to make every element in nums equal to 0. So to understand this in a proper manner, let's move on to the example. Input nums is equal to 15035. Output is 3. So let's see the explanation. And first operation, choose x is equal to 1. Now nums is equal to 0, 4, 0, 2, 4. Like the array which is given here, we will just minus 1 from every particular, like array is given which we will subtract minus 1 from every element, and we will do by that. In the second operation, what we will do, we will choose x as 2 and then we will subtract this accordingly. And in the third operation, we will choose x is equal to 2 again and we will just minus it with the index number of 1 and 4. And then in the third operation, after the third operation, what we see here that every element has been 0. So the output is 3. Why? Just because we had to perform 3 operations. So the number of operations is we are returning in the output. So to understand it more precisely, let's start by writing our code. So what we will do is that we will just use here a set integer s, we have named as s. Then we will run a for loop from int I is equal to 0 to I greater than nums of size. Then we will only store the non-zero numbers. So we will give a condition here: if nums of I is not equals to 0, else dot insert nums of I. Then here what we will return the number of so now what we will return the number of, like a unique number of non-zero elements. So we will just return and let's see and run if all the test cases being passed or not. As you can see, all the test cases being passed, and we will just submit it. As you can see, it has been submitted successfully. So this was my solution for make an array 0 by subtracting equal amounts. Thanks for watching.